Welcome to the ninth session of LPP. Here, methods of solving LPP. So we have two types of solving methodology. One is graphical method, the other one is simplex method. In this session, I am going to explain the graphical method for you. Very first, the LPP has been given here. Graphically solve the given LPP. Maximize z equals to 3x plus 10y subject to x plus y less than or equals to 4, 2x plus y less than or equals to 6 and x comma y greater than or equals to 0. I think you people are well aware of this is the objective function. The optimization is maximizing. Next, these two are the inequality constraints and these are the non-negative restrictions. Very first, while solving the graphical problem, the given inequality has to be converted into equality. See, let x plus y less than or equals to 4 can be converted into x plus y equals to 4. Once again I am repeating, the inequality has to be converted into equality. So therefore you will get one equation. Now x, y. When you substitute x equals to 0, then y will become 4. Similarly, when you substitute y equals to 0, you will get x equals to 4. Therefore, you will get 2 points, that is corner points, that is 0, 4 and 4, 0. Similarly, take a second equation. 2x plus y less than or equals to 6 can be converted into 2x plus y equals to 6. Once again, when x equals to 0, y will become 6. When y will become 0, x will be 3. Similarly, the points are 0, 6 and 3, 0. So this is calculation part over. Now we will move to the graph section. First, write down scale here, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So let us see here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. See here, when x equals to 0, y equals to 4. Before that, make a point. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take maximum x value. It's enough. Now, similarly, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First equation, see, when x equals to 0, y will be 4. Mark a point here. Similarly, when y equals to 0, x equals to 4. See, first join these 2 points and call this inequality. See, as soon as you complete, you will get a straight line. Mark it is x plus y less than or equals to 4, inequality. And go to the second one. When x equals to 0, y will become 6. So y equals to 6. Similarly, when x equals to y equals to 0, x equals to 3. See here, one more point and keep a scale properly over the point and join those 2 points. And similarly, write down 2x plus y less than or equals to 6. See, you got a 2 straight line and an intersection. See now, the next task is you need to identify the feasible region. To identify the feasible region, you need to concentrate the point of intersection. See, here the 2 lines are intersected here somewhere, and if it is intersection is present, then think that feasible region will exist. And one more hint for this problem, if at all the inequality is less than or equals to, that means always your feasible region is towards 0. That means if it is less than or equals to, your feasible region always falls below the lines. Let us take the first line. See here, the first x plus y less than or equals to 4. That means the feasible region below this line. See the intersection. Intersection is the main point you need to concentrate. So your feasible region may be present here because this line crosses here. It may be here or it may be here. But see the second line. 2x plus y less than or equals to 6. This line, intersection. Again it says that your feasible region will lies either here, either below this line or below this line. That means see the intersection as the intersection. So this particular region exactly fit to the bill. That means your here it falls below this first line and again it falls below the second line. Therefore this is your feasible region. Now make a corner points A, B and C. See the points. When x equals to 3, y equals to 0, this is A, and B when x equals to 2, y equals to 2, and C it is when x equals to 0, y equals to 4. So you got 3 points. A 3, 0, B 2, 2, C 0, 4. Now you need to identify the maximization. Now see, maximize z equals to 3x plus 10y at A. See 3, 0, za equals to 3. Wherever x is there, substitute 3. Wherever y 0, it is 3 3s are 9, 0. So za equals to 9. Next at B 2, 2, zb equals to 3 into 2 plus 10 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 10 2s are 20, 26. That is zb equals to 26. Then at C 0, 4, zc equals to 3 into 0 plus 10 into 4. It is 0 plus 40. Zc equals to 40. See, the question is what? Maximize. So which is your maximum value? 40. That means it is maximum at 0, 4, that is C, and maximum value is ZC equals to 40. This is how, that is solution to the given problem of LPP.